Going on, YouTube fam, Mario again. Got the old bandana on, covering up the awesome locks. You know what I'm saying? Just got off work. This video has been requested by few. I will provide for the masses. This is how to properly clean your motorcycle chain. There's really no proper way to do it. I mean, you just gotta clean it and you gotta lube it, and try not to get the lube all over your tires. That is the biggest thing. Other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll show you anyway. Check out the shop, guys. Get in there, huh? I got a little office space going on over here. Yeah, dude. Got a little whiteboard. You gotta have a whiteboard. You know what I'm saying? Bottom table. A couple fire rings. Yeah, I got some stuff going on here. Anyway, I just got off work, so the best time to do this is obviously when you're in some dirty clothes. I suggest not having clean clothes, that's for sure. But you're gonna need a couple things. Pretty simple. Obviously, you gotta lift the rear tire. You gotta lift the rear of the bike up. Now you don't have to. If you have two people, I have been known to have my wife help me in the past before we got our lifts and everything. And literally just in the driveway, I would, have her walk the bike and I would clean it as she was walking it. So I mean, you can do it, but it's easier if you got something like this. So we're gonna lift the rear wheel off the ground, so that way you can rotate the tire, which will rotate the chain, and then you can clean it a lot easier. As you can see, my chain needs it. There's a couple rust spots on there and just a bunch of grime and stuff. So it's actually perfect time to do it. So you're gonna need a towel. I prefer rubber gloves. You don't need them. I'm gonna put them on just to keep my hands a little cleaner. And then I got this Motul kit. You can get this on Amazon. You can get this pretty much anywhere. And it comes with the cleaner, comes with the lube, and it comes with the little brush that makes it real easy to get around all the sides of the chain when you're cleaning. Alright, so got the back of the bike up. Now, open up our little kit here. Alright, we got the chain cleaner, chain luber. I got a cool little brush. This brush is sweet because it fits right around that chain, just like that. Yeah, just like that. Now, I suggest putting a towel down unless you want your floor all crappy. And then we're gonna do chain cleaner first. Just gonna do a little bit. We're just gonna work it a little bit at a time. And then rotate her a little bit, spray some more. Now you can obviously take the time and clean this thing spotless if you really wanted to. Give her a nice shine, you know what I'm saying? But to keep it short, I'll give you the idea, and then you can spend as much or a little time on it as you want. You'll know when you get back to the beginning, because obviously the chain will be either a little cleaner or you'll see the dirt smeared around on it, on the links for sure. Probably should have made this video back in once the weather first got nice, like a month or so, a couple months ago. But, oh well, Yeah, it is. Working and working and working. Probably wouldn't hurt to pressure wash it, you know what I mean? Like just to blow all the chunks off before you lube it up. But that's your call. I think we're already back to the beginning here. Yeah, already back. As you can see all the brush strokes on the chain. All right, nice, dude. Let's take my rag here and I will wipe the majority of this crap off of the chain. Try not to get your fingers stuck in there, that would suck. You can already see that getting a lot cleaner. Hey, you could do your spoke or whatever. Do whatever you want, you know what I'm saying? Take your time, want to get it real nice if you'd like. Again, I'm just trying to get this video out. That's nice, look at that. There, you got a lot of that dirt and stuff off of there. Let me clean your spoke up a little bit. There you go. Oh, look at that. It looked real nice at one point, you know what I mean? All right. That was it. That's it. Clean. Done. Just enough time for you to go do your wife's bike. Ha. Okay. So now the lube part. So what I like to do here is I will come over to the center, like right in here, so that way you can almost spray it at an angle where you don't hit your tire at all, right? But you want to put something down so you don't drip all over the floor. Now there are some lubes out there. I'm not, you know, this one, it kind of, obviously they're mostly all sticky lubes, but some will fling off the chain when you're rotating, you know, when you're going down the road. Some of that stuff will fling off your chain and it'll get all over your tires and all over everything anyway. Some of these lubes don't do that as much. This one, I haven't really noticed it, but I don't obviously check all the time. So anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and spray this left-handed because I can do both. Soak her down and rotate that tire all in one shot. Just gotta get that whole chain. And it's gonna obviously drip off. And we're dripping all over the towel, which is good. And you'll know when you get to the beginning because obviously the chain will be nice and wet. You can go 2 laps, you can go 3 rotations, whatever you want to do. I just have to make sure I have enough lube left for Mrs. Moto's chain because I'm going to have to do hers next. That's pretty good, man. Look at that. Then you can take your rag and wipe off anything that you got on your plastics or whatever. But you can also take a clean part of your rag here and spin this really lightly because that way you can get all the heavy drips off. That way it'll kind of, you know, keep it from spitting all over your bike when you first start up and go down the road. There we go. You know, that's it, dude. It's that easy. It's that easy, man. It's really that easy. Oh my gosh, you know, the older you get, the harder it is to get up off the ground. I need a bike lift. Oh my gosh. All right, that was it. That was quick. That was only a couple minutes. Hope you enjoyed it. I did finally get a quad lock mount for my bike. So it is going to go in here. So stay tuned for that video because that'll be the next one after this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay funny. See you in the next one.